Hello everyone, I'm your host Florian Stollmayer. Today's topic is a Scottish traditional song on the bonny banks of Loch Lomond, which is one of the most beautiful songs ever written. Loch Lomond is a lake in the middle part of Scotland, and it is the biggest lake on the British Islands. This wonderful song of Loch Lomond most likely found its origin during the Second Jacobin Rebellion from 1745 to 1746 under the leadership of Charles Edward Stuart, also known as Bonnie Prince Charlie. Bonnie Prince Charlie was supported by many Scottish Highlanders and started the rebellion with a few victories. However, him and his army lost the war at the final Battle of Culloden on April 16, 1746. After this loss, Bonnie Prince Charles retreated to France. During the Second Jacobin Rising, 2 soldiers of Bonnie Prince Charlie were captured by the English. One of them, Daniel MacDonald, was put to death. But before that he wrote a letter to his love, Maura. The lyrics of Loch Lomond are very moving. Here's the first verse. By yon bonny banks and by yon bonny braes, where the sun shines bright on Loch Lomond, where me and my true love will never meet again, on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Oh, he'll tuck the high road and I tuck the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afore ye, but me and my true love will never meet again, on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. There's also an Irish version of Loch Lomond which is called Red is the Rose. This version is well known by Irish folk singers like Tommy Mackem and Noel McLaughlin. There are so many great versions of Loch Lomond, such as by the Corries, a Scottish folk group. Both baritons, Bryn Terfel and Benjamin Luxon, did a marvelous job with their interpretations. Ireland's golden tenor Frank Patterson sang it, and Deanna Durbin did a moving version of Loch Lomond in one of her movies, It's a Date, in 1940. There's also a nice German version called Vergiss mich mein Liebling by German groaner Ronny. All in all, On the Bonny Banks of Loch Lomond is one of the world's most beautiful songs. I hope you have enjoyed my video about Loch Lomond. I'm your host Florian Stollmayer. Please rate and subscribe to my YouTube channel Florian Stollmayer Music. Buy my music on Amazon.com and cdbaby.com. So long, friends.
By yon bonny banks and by yon bonny braes, where the sun shines bright on Loch Lomond, where me and my true love were ever wont to go, on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Oh, you take the high road and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afore ye, but me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. On the steep, steep sides of Ben Lomond, where in purple hue the highland hills we view, and the moon coming up in the gloaming. Oh, you take the high road and I'll take the low road, and I'll be in Scotland afar, but me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. The wee birdies sing and the wild flowers spring, and in sunshine the waters are sleeping, but the broken-hearted kens no second spring again, and the woeful may see